Hi guys, showed you I bought this in the recycling centre. When I put new batteries in it, the light comes on but nothing else happens. And I was wondering if there's supposed to be a speaker in there and some sort of sound effects. So we'll take it apart and have a look. It's a different screw to the others. Yeah, looks like we should have sound effects. There's a speaker. Doesn't want to come apart for some reason. There we go. So we've got a sound effect board, light, and a speaker. And all that the trigger does is pushes that contact together there. And that little spring pulls it back again. Yeah. Be it. So why are we getting no sound? No obvious loose wires. Right, just use an external battery supply. I would expect to hear something. I'd expect to hear a click at the least. So maybe the speaker's dead. I'll go and see if I've got another little speaker. This probably looks overly complicated, but all I've got is these yellow jumper leads that go into the speaker over here. So we're bypassing this one. And if I press the button, not exactly a realistic sound, but hey, that's the sound it makes. I'll just have a look through my box. I think that one looks about the same size, doesn't it? The speaker I was going to use won't fit in that little circle So I found another speaker. This is out off some headphones, but it's the right size to fit. Not terribly loud. Not very exciting either. But we do appear to have fixed it, so I'll put it back together. There we are, back together. Not very exciting, is it? You can't even fire it fast. I hope it wasn't too expensive, brand new. The fact it takes 4 AA batteries is quite amusing. And why didn't they put that up there? Anyway, job done, so we replaced the speaker.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.